my name is Teresa. I work here at the Pulaski County Public Library in the teen department. Today's activity, I'm going to show you about making a rock photo holder. A real simple little activity you can do. We use this wiring. It could be copper or silver. This is silver. You can get this at any craft place, the Walmart or wherever. And you take a pen or a pencil and you make your loops. That's going to be what holds your photo. And then my rock, I'd already painted on the outside, but you don't have to. And you wrap this around as tightly as you can. And I always put a piece of tape on the bottom just to make sure that stays on there. Because sometimes it gets a little hard to get as tight. And this is what it would be, and you could paint it, do a little paint on there, however you want to do it. And then you can put your photo in there. These are my finished ones. I have this one here and this, so it's a little smaller. And you can pick up these rocks on your own. These are like river rocks or creek rocks. And you can pick these up anywhere out on your own, or you can get these from Amazon or Walmart or anything like that. So you can always it's just real simple, and you're done. And you set them up. You can make a whole little photo album on your shelf and put little photos in it. That's our activity. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.